How to add location to iPhone photos. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. From this page, open any photo you want. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Details icon in the middle. You can view all the photo information and details over here, such as the caption, camera information, size of the photo, and more. As you can see, you can also view or add a location from here. Tap on Add a Location below. Enter the name of the location here and select it. You can repeat this to add a location to your other photos and videos. Following these steps, you can easily add location to iPhone photos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.